Welcome back, artists. Today we are going to finish up our warm and our cool color hearts. I'm going to get back both pieces of paper that I painted, the paper that has green, blue, and purple on it. Which color family was that again? Oh yeah, my cool colors. And I will also get back this paper that has my red, my orange, my yellow, and my pink, which was which color family? Yeah, the warm colors. I'm going to get them both back. To do my job today, I'm going to start with my smaller piece of paper with the warm colors on it, and I'm going to set the other one aside. Our job for the day is going to be to cut out a heart with our warm color paper and glue it on to the cool colors. I'm going to take my piece of paper, I'm going to flip it over to the back side. We do not want to see pencil lines on the front side of our nice painted paper, so I'm going to flip it over to the back. And with my drawing today, I'm probably going to end up writing or drawing over my name. That is okay, because on my cool color paper, remember my name will be on the top of this one. We are going to be gluing the other piece to that, so we will still have our name on it. My first job is going to be to draw a really big heart. I'm going to start at the very bottom of my paper because I want this heart to be big. We painted this paper so beautifully. We want to make sure we use the whole paper. I'm going to start at the bottom and I'm going to make a diagonal line that goes up and touches the outside about halfway up. I'm going to do the same on the other side. Hey, look at that. What letter do you see that I just drew? Now I need to add my bumps on my heart. Sometimes it is helpful for me to make a mark about halfway in between, right in the middle of my paper, and I want to make sure that my bump comes to that dot. So I'm going to, once again, start on the edge. I'm going to do a big bump that goes all the way to the top and then comes back down to touch. This line looks like a rainbow line. I'm going to go all the way up and touch on the other side. And now I have a nice big heart. My next job is going to be to cut this out. When I cut, remember my thumb should go in the smaller hole and my fingers go in the bottom, and my thumb should be up towards the top to the ceiling. I'm going to cut super slow like a train on a train track or a car on a road and follow that pencil line all the way around. I could cut that piece off and make it a little bit easier for myself. Maybe I'll start down here and I'll do the other side. And when I get to the top, if I think I can do this cut, easy peasy, go for it. But if it looks a little tricky for me, I can do a bubble cut. I'm going to go up and around. My helper hand, which is the hand that holds the paper, is turning my paper as I work. And I'm just going to leave that middle part for right now and cut the curves. Okay, and now I can go back into the middle. I can curve, stop. And then I can go switch sides so I don't have to turn my scissors. And I cut, stop. And if I lined it up, that should pop right out. My next job is going to be to glue it onto my cool color paper. So I'm going to turn it over to the back side again. And I need a glue bottle. With these glue bottles, I need to twist the orange part of the bottle. Right now I can see some white, which means it's closed. I'm going to twist. And I'm also going to listen. If I can hear my bottle breathing, that means that glue will come out. When we glue in art class, we use dot, dot, not a lot. I want to try and put my glue a little bit in from the edge. If I put glue right here on the edge, it's going to squeeze out the sides when I put it on the paper. So I want it close to the edges, all the way around, but not all the way to the edge. And I'm using just little tiny dots as I go around. Dot, dot, not a lot. I should not get big puddles or lakes of glue on my paper. That means I'm using too much. I'm going to carefully pick this up, and then I'm going to turn it over and set it in the middle of my paper. I don't want to plop it on there. Maybe I want to line it up, hold it above before I decide, and then I'm going to stick it on. And I want to press down and make sure it sticks. I'm going to count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.